fucking pissing down. Fuck! Speeding is bad. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all nice and dry while I'm out here getting fucking soaked. I hope you're all doing well and you had a nice start to your week. It's a bit of a grim day, we're actually on the return ride from work. It's been an absolutely disgusting morning. What's going on? It was the wettest it's been in a while actually this morning. Had my waterproof coat layer, everything, it was just as wet as wet. I stayed dry, luckily, my gear's alright, my gear's good, but it's absolutely grim this morning. It was more fun than sitting in a car, you know? Then we're off. Cleared the visor off a little. A water drop landed in my eye. Put my visor down. Yeah, it's been a good day. Haven't really got much to talk about today. I need some topic suggestions. Yeah, I need some topic suggestions in the comments. That's something I really need, because these daily riders I do all the time. But I'm running out of ideas. Oh, he's on the Pan America. Is that what it's called? The new Harley. They look cool. I've not seen one of those in person yet. My box still on there. It is. Got my top box on today because I'm bringing some tools home. Run 100 miles in this fuel tank. Jeez, that's not bad. I've got allegedly half a tank left according to my fuel gauge. I'm not sure how truthful that is. I definitely couldn't get 200 miles out of it. I've had it on nearly empty before and it's been about 100 miles. I guess I've been riding it more economically recently, but I beg to differ. The gear I've got on, that's a good talking point. I'm pretty much Alpine Star repped, top to bottom, other than my boots and my helmet. My helmet is a Moto Guzzi Tourer helmet, official Moto Guzzi. It was on offer. I know I don't ride a Moto Guzzi and I'm not old, but it's a nice helmet. It's a Tourer. I took the peak off because, well, I found from riding a 125 you only do 70 mile an hour and the wind's not that bad, to riding this where it can do faster than 70 miles an hour. Confirmed. Not that I've ever done that. Yeah, he's got full beam on, one arsehole. The helmet's Moto Guzzi, jacket is Alpine Star Dry Star. It's the green and beige and black, I suppose, the version with the same Dry Star Alpine Star trousers. I do rate them. They were on offer when I bought them. I would say they're probably a little bit overpriced for what they are. They're allegedly Dry Star, but they're more like Shower Star. You'll stay dry in a shower, but it rains, you're going to get wet. I have to wear waterproof tops and bottoms when it's properly raining, just for my 20-minute commute. It's a bit annoying. Good. I've got Alpine Star summer gloves. I don't know what the model number is and shit, but they were just cheap. They were like 30 quid. And I rate these. The Velcro's gone on them, but I've had them nearly a year, so I can, and I've worn them a lot. My boots are actually, I do rate. I've had a couple of pairs of them. The first pair actually leaked in the rain, which I was very unhappy with, so I took them back to the shop. They replaced them immediately because they shouldn't leak. The RST adventure boots, they're like the long ones. I don't know what the number is, the model name is, but they're comfortable, they're waterproof. Coming into summer, they're a little bit hot, I have to say. They're a little bit long and a little bit insulated for summer. I think you'd probably need some like thin ones for summer. I want some small little like ankle boots, if you know what I mean, or some shoes, some Alpine Star shoes is what I want. The ones that look like Converse boots. They're smart. I'd rate the RST boots. They're a fair bit of money. They were like 120 quid, I think it was, 130 quid, which isn't loads. I know that's quite cheap on the grand scheme of motorbike gear and motorbike boots. I'd recommend getting good gear, you know. It's worth it just because you come off, which, you know, I guess is inevitable eventually. It's protecting you between, well, your skin and the pavement, and you don't want to have to fight that because you're not going to win. So it's good to have some nice gear. I'd recommend Alpine Star. They're nice. I do want to look into a new helmet, maybe something a little bit of a different shape, maybe something a bit sportier, like a Scorpion or something. I think there's a Scorpion full carbon that I found online that's reduced, that's very pretty. But I'll have to wait and see for that, because it's still quite a lot of money. It's still like 300 quid for a helmet. But then it's your head, you know? This one was like 180 down to 130, this like a Guzzi helmet. But end of the day, it is your brain. But yeah, thanks for watching the channel. I appreciate all of you that come along every day and watch the motovlogs and the daily riders and the weekend rides and everything else. I do appreciate you. If you're new here, I do a daily rider series and some weekend cruising and some different bits that I get up to. But yeah, stick around, check out the channel, you know, have a watch of some other videos. Subscribe if you haven't already, like the video. And yeah, thanks for watching Motor POV. Yeah, peace out guys.